Hey everyone, this is Puppies. Today we have the V1 taillights from Lancer store here. I already pulled them outside the box. They had a couple of plastic wrapping and everything. It was packaged very well. See the boxer, interior and stuff. Just like any other lights I've had before. Well packaged, no damages. Pulled them out. They look a lot nicer in person than from the pictures, so hopefully that helps you guys see how they look here. But you would connect together on the side of the Lancer Evolution 10 there, on the side. Pretty good looking. Got a pack of the resistors. Pretty easy plug and play looking. It's got the 3M tape on the back already, so it's not flopping around in your trunk or however you plan to install it. I've had people use screws to screw this on, or even use more 3M mounting tape. And I'll have an install video of this coming up shortly, so stay tuned for that. Down below you can see the link. I'll have a link down below where you can purchase these lights right from the Lancer store. Gabriel, he's been awesome. I talked to him, we go back and forth through messages. Real easy to communicate to, so if you have any questions, please go ahead and contact me, or you can contact the store. We're pretty easy for them to answer you. And again, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoy the look of this. It's really hard to see sometimes where you just don't know how it actually looks. Okay everybody, thanks for watching. Just holding these lights here in my hands. Stay tuned for the installing of these tail lights here as well. I did lie though. I didn't forget about the unboxing. I just failed to unbox it with the audio on. So I'm gonna have that video here too. You can watch the video of me talking as if my mic was on, opening this package, but I cut that short realizing I forgot to turn my mic on.